So when I say I just went shopping, I just went shopping. Hey everyone, welcome back. So, not in full makeup today. I literally slapped on a little bit of makeup just so I could make this video. Here we are. Hello, welcome back to my channel. I do unorganized videos on a whim 99% of the time. So, I'm so excited. Everyone should be so excited. You guys know, if you don't know already, hello, my name is Kyan. I am obsessed with Halloween and everything Halloween related. It's my favorite holiday of the year. And I am so excited that it is about time for Halloween. And I know what you're saying. It's the beginning of September, calm down. I cannot calm down. I'm so excited. So as you can tell by the title of this video, we're going to be doing my first haul of Halloween decorations because there will be multiples. I couldn't do all of my Halloween decor hunting all at once. We gotta spread it out a little bit. Can't get too excited. So this is the first haul. There will be more, but I think this is probably gonna be the most exciting one because like this is all of the big stuff that we got. The rest of it will be like stuff for the wreath and stuff for like some spider webs and like basic stuff like that. Some more lights, you know, stuff that's not very exciting. So this might be the one and only haul, we'll see. But it's a haul and I'm so excited. It is spooky season. The time is now, ladies and gentlemen. So let's get started. So the majority of the stuff that I got is from Michael's and we will get to that. There's a lot from Michael's. I have 4 full bags of things from Michael's here and I'm super excited. But let's just run through. I go to the dollar store all the flippin' time. And the dollar store honestly occasionally has some good stuff, not gonna lie. So the first thing that I got, very boring. It's just this super long strand. I think it's a 10-foot strand maybe, I don't know. It's long, of just purple lights. I don't really know what I'm gonna do with it, but it was $1, so purple lights. And then the next thing I got from the dollar store was this little pack of mini pumpkins, and they're so cute. There's this one which is black with silver spider web kind of crackled all over it, a white one with black polka dots, a white one with silver spider webs on it, and then a black and white striped one. I absolutely had to have them. And the cool thing is, while I was at Michael's, I saw mini ones that were on like a twig to put in a wreath that matched these perfectly. And so when I make my wreath, I will have matching pumpkins and I'm very excited. These are gonna go on our TV stand. So that's the only stuff I got at the dollar store, but I just wanted to show you because these pumpkins are cute and people sleep on dollar store decor and I don't know why, because these were cute and the pack 4 was $4. So it wasn't that bad. Okay, so there's that. Okay, let's talk about Michael's. Michael's was killing it this year. I have a relatively small Michael's where I live, and so I wasn't expecting a whole lot, but there was a good section dedicated to just Halloween decor and I was pretty excited about it. And they had some killer stuff. All of the videos I've been watching about like decor from Michael's, I saw at our Michael's, so I was really excited. So everything in the Halloween section was 30% off. So it was 30% off all Halloween decor. So that's really the only reason why I was getting as much as I was anyway, because everything was 30% off. And I don't know, that's probably gonna go on until Halloween, isn't it? Probably. All of Halloween decor is 30% off, as well as Halloween like floral and handcrafted floral things and that kind of stuff. So pretty much everything Halloween related is 30 to 40% off right now, which is very exciting. So let's start with a bag. The first thing I got was this bad boy. I saw this online and I knew I had to have it. It is a skull with a dragon on it. And how on earth could I, as Kyan Pendragon, pass this up? It is so beautiful. It is a typical like white skull with the brown dirt kind of detailing in it, as well as a fully black dragon with gold edging. And so the edges of the wings, the mouth, the head, the tail all have gold edging, and so it's really detailed. It's so beautiful. I love it so much. This bad boy was $30. I got him for $21. This will go in here somewhere when I decorate the office for Halloween. I don't really know where he's gonna go, but also we need to name this guy and the dragon. Comment down below what you think the skull and the dragon should be named. They both need their own names, their own individuals. Comment below what you think their names should be. Also got, okay, so our original theme for Halloween was going to be like bats, because I think bats are cute. And so we were gonna do like cutesy little bats. We were gonna do black and purple and bats and that kind of stuff. We get to Michael's and like our entire aesthetic changes. And you'll see after I get through everything in the video. Our entire aesthetic changes, but we still want some bats involved. So like as we were getting done with our like gathering things at Michael's, Quentin was like, we need a bat. And we didn't want to do like an actual bat thing because they're kind of scary looking, and he was going on about how it was the size of a chicken and he did not want a bat that was the size of a chicken, and so we didn't do that. But we got this glass bottle that says crushed wings, fine mix of bat wings, eyeballs, and saliva, and it is very morbid, it is very gross, but it is actually really pretty. It's an actual, like, this is glass. It's got a bat stopper on it with a red velvet rope and a kind of vintage looking sticker on the front. I have no clue where this is gonna go. I don't know what we're gonna do with it, but it's pretty and it's bats, and so there we go. This was $7. I got it for $4.90. So there's that guy. I have no clue where that's gonna go, but we have bats now. This is completely irrelevant to like my actual decor, but I wanted it, so here we are. I got another one which I will show you, and this is just a glass that says "Which hair don't care," and it's kind of like a iridescent, it looks like that. I wanted more like glasses, and I loved these, and I will use these when it is not Halloween, but I love these. I know they were $8. I got them for less than $8. And this one says Happy Halloween. Y'all know I can't drink wine, but it's so cute and it's pretty, and I just love the little stars and the moon on it. So you know, whatever, it's fine, it's fine. So Quentin loves crows and ravens and that kind of thing, as do I. I think they are lovely. And so he wanted one. We saw this and I knew he was gonna end up with it no matter what. And it is a crow on a wild branch. There's a little spider on it. This is gonna go on top of his bookshelf. He's gonna be very happy. It's a crow, he's happy. It's really pretty. It's, you know, it is what it is. It's a crow. Like, here we go. And it really goes well with like the dark, I don't know how to explain the aesthetic that is occurring now with our Halloween decor. Y'all comment below like what you think the aesthetic would be, because I don't know, and it's completely different than what we were originally going for. But here we are, we have a crow, he's going on a bookshelf, he's cool. He was $22, we got him for $15.40. Okay, and so then we got these two guys. Quentin, this is another thing that Quentin picked out that he absolutely loved. He was so excited to see these. They are two skeleton hands holding roses with eyes in them. And they are the left and right hands. It's a blue rose and a red rose. And it's a matching set. I definitely don't think you could get one without getting the other. I think these are probably gonna go on our end tables. And so then like you can see on both sides of the couch, there will be the eyes and the roses in it. They're really cool looking. They're the same beautiful detail as the skull with the dragon. They're very sturdy. They feel really good quality. None of the stuff that we got at any point felt cheap and frail. I'm very impressed with the quality of everything from Michael's. Now these guys were were $12. Wait, were they $12 a piece? Yes, these were $12 a piece. We got them $8.40 a piece. So $8.40 a piece for the rose eye thingies. I think these are really cool looking. I love that they paid attention to them being the left and right hands, not just like two left hands. Like, they're a matching set. You absolutely have to get them together. You don't have to get them together, obviously, if you only wanted one, but I just like that they are a set. I just think it's cool. So beautiful. This is a skull on a rose stem with roses. The top of the skull is a rose and there's a butterfly on it, and it's that same base as the skeleton hands. And oh, it's so pretty. I love the skull and the roses look. I think it is so beautiful and elegant, but still dark and kind of spooky. I love it. It is so pretty. And this guy was $16. We got him for $11.20. So here we are. We're on to the last bag, which only has a couple things in it. There were some pumpkins that were available for $5 a piece. We got some pumpkins because we actively had no pumpkins in our look so far, and we needed some pumpkins. But to go with the rest of the black and white aesthetic, as well as I'm gonna add more purple in. They're just some basic plastic pumpkins. One's black, one's white. They were $5 a piece. Oh no, they were $10 a piece, actually, I'm sorry. We got them for $5 a piece. And the last item, definitely not least, oh, so pretty. It is a full-size skull with blue and purple roses attached to it. Very simple, but it's really detailed and so pretty. And of course it goes with the other ones. It goes with the mini skull with the roses, as well as the hand roses. I love how it all just ties together. I think it's a really pretty and elegant but dark aesthetic. I think it's so beautiful. I don't know where this is gonna go. It might go in the bedroom. I don't really know. Everything, I'm not 100% sure where it's going, but we'll figure it out. That's okay. It was $18. We got it for $12.60. So honestly, considering the quality and the detail and what these items were, I think everything was priced out really well. I think everything was reasonably affordable considering I got all of these items, and these will be the main items of our decor this year. The fact that I got all of these and I got out of there for under $100 was insane. Now, because of the fact that everything is marked down 30%, you of course cannot use the 40% off coupon, and that's how they get you. But honestly, the fact that I could have 30% off of all the items instead of just the 40% off one fully priced item, I'm okay with that. I think the fact that I got this for $11 is honestly really good. It's beautiful. I can tell it will last a long time. And the thing is, this is all decor that I'm gonna have for a really long time until I stop wanting to have this on my end table. And even if I stop, I'll get a different one, pull this out the next year when I want that again, you know? When it comes to stuff like this kind of decor, I'm okay with spending a little bit more on it just because I know I'm gonna have it for a really long time. Oh, it's gonna be so much fun. I know it's September, but you gotta start now. Halloween is only one day, so you gotta get the most out of the amount of money that you're spending on Halloween. So you gotta start in September. If it were up to me, I would have started last month, but Quentin was like, okay, calm down, it's August. And I was like, it's fine. So there's that. Make sure you guys comment who you think the skulls and the crow and the dragon, what you think their names should be. I think that's gonna be a hoot and a half. And also let me know if you guys are excited for future hauls. I might even make a video on making my Halloween wreath. I think that'll be fun because I have big plans for that. Yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. I know it was simple, but I know y'all are excited for Halloween. I know I'm excited for Halloween. Like this video, Subscribe if you want to see more Halloween content, because there's going to be a lot coming. Make sure you also hit the notification bell so you're notified whenever I post a new video. If for whatever reason that notification bell doesn't work, because that's kind of a regular thing nowadays, I upload a new video every Friday at 1 p.m. Eastern time. So you guys will know when I'm here to shove roses with eyeballs in your face. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in next week's video. Bye.